So my name's Cerys, I'm 31, I'm from the UK, I live in the Midlands. Yeah, I've travelled out to Lithuania for surgery. My GP was pushing me for bariatric surgery for many years, and it was me that was saying no because I was quite scared of surgery. I've got quite a phobia of needles. And when I reached my highest weight, which was during lockdown because I had to shield, I then decided that surgery was the only way forward for me, but my GP refused to help me because they said they could only have a conversation about getting me on the NHS waiting list once COVID was over, and that waiting list in my area was up to 4 years long. And going private in the UK was really expensive, so I decided to come abroad. Did a lot of research, and Lithuania has very similar healthcare standards to the UK, so I was quite happy with that.
After losing approximately 9 stone, Cerys was left with a significant amount of loose skin. She decided to embark on her plastic surgery journey with Dr. Mantas.
So I've gone about my skin removal in a bit of a different way to basically everybody else that I know that's had bariatric surgery. So most people I know would have a mummy makeover first because it's considered one of the biggest impact surgeries. But the reason why I haven't done that is for 2 reasons really. So number one of the areas that bothered me the most was my arms and like under my arms and my back, because they're areas that still not only identify me as someone who was like a fat person or bigger, they're harder to cover. Whilst, you know, I'm normally wearing a lot more ornate gothic outfits than this, but although I can't get them on at the moment, but I like wearing corsets, so you can hide like your stomach, but your arms is a bit and your back is a bit of a different ball game. And where the loose skin was sitting, particularly around the bra area, it was actually getting trapped on my bras, and occasionally it was actually tearing, which was really painful and uncomfortable. So I was literally in pain like every day from where the skin, I had to tuck myself into my underwear. But also we're undecided at the moment, we're contemplating having children, and there's no point in having a mummy makeover and then going through pregnancy. I didn't actually really look at any other surgeons. I basically made my mind up that I wanted Dr. Mantas, and it wasn't because he was in Lithuania per se, it was more just because of that is the surgeon that I wanted to do my procedures, because I thought I'd get a really good result from him.
The axillary area, it can look saggy still, all right? But what you need to understand, that if we correct the breast, the tissue goes like that, and after that it will be okay.
Yeah.
Because you see, I could remove more of the tissue in the axillary area, but what will be your breast, it will be in that part after that, and it will look ridiculous, all right? So we need to consider anatomical, you see, view of your breast. So because of that, I removed, you see, a safe amount that you will have after that tight armpit area, but not removed breasts to the lateral part.
Yeah.
Okay? Because your breasts, they must be where they are, all right? Yeah, so now it can look that you can think that doctor did something, but I don't see very big difference, but you will see.
Yeah.
You will see in the future, if you will come back for the breast, we will do the breast, and after that you will see that the armpit, it's entirely okay, all right?
Yeah. I think I'll have a lot more clothing options where I don't feel like people are staring at me. So before, I always avoided wearing anything with like short sleeves. Obesity runs in my family, and on my dad's side we've got a really bad habit of dying in our early 50s, partly due to weight-related illnesses, and I didn't want to see that happen to me. I didn't want to be restricted in what I can do because of my weight and my size. Like, I remember spending a lot of sleepless nights, like lying in bed, like feeling, it sounds weird, but literally like feeling the fat and thinking, I wish that I could literally just take my hands and just like pull it away so that it wasn't there anymore, so that my life would be easier.